Hello everyone, welcome to Elements of Costing class. In today's class, we will be solving problem on estimated cost sheet. In previous class, we have solved one problem on estimated cost sheet. So this is second problem on estimated cost sheet. Okay, here is the problem. I'll read out the problem first and then we will try to solve it. Okay. Chetana for Food Products Limited supplies you the following information for the year 2018. Materials consumed 4,50,000, productive wages 3,75,000, factory overheads 1,87,500, administrative overheads 2,53,125, selling overheads 1,01,250, then profit they have given 3,05,775. Okay, so other than this, so this information is relating to year 2018. Now next what they have given is a work order has been executed in 2019 and the following expenses had been incurred. Now materials they have incurred of rupees 12,000, wages 7,500, and they have asked us prepare a statement of cost for the new work order on the basis of the above information. First point is factory overheads is recovered on wages, administrative, selling and distribution overheads are recovered on work cost. So first what we need to do is we will prepare an cost sheet of 2018. Okay, so write down heading here Chetana Food Products Limited. Next line, statement of cost for the year ending 2018. Okay, now here first we will have to take direct material. So again go through the problem. Here they have given materials consumed. So that itself is what? Direct material. So you can write here direct material. Okay, now direct material amount is 4,50,000. Okay, next comes is here they have given productive wages. So this productive wages is nothing but it is direct wages. Okay, it is direct wages. Amount is 3,75,000. 3,75,000. Okay, now again go through the problem. If they have given direct expenses, so in this problem they have not given direct expenses, so make a total. So this total will be called as what? This will be called as prime cost. Hope so everybody is understanding. Okay, so make a total, that is 8,25,000. 8,25,000. So this is prime cost. Next is add factory overheads. Okay, now factory overheads already amount they have given, so just you need to add it here. So amount is 1,87,500, right? Now make a total and this total will be called as what? Works cost. Works cost. Okay, total 10,12,500. Now next is add administrative overheads. Add administrative overheads. Okay, amount they have given, amount is 2,53,125. Okay, make a total. So that total is called as what? It is cost of production. Cost of production. Okay, make a total. Okay, just check the total. 12,65,625. Okay. Next is add selling and distribution overheads. Now selling and distribution overheads is how much? 1,01,250. Okay, now make a total. This total will be called as what? Cost of sales. Cost of sales. Cost of sales is 13,66,875. Okay, so already profit they have given in the problem. So write down profit. Profit 3,05,775 is the profit. Okay, now you can find out how much is the sales. Okay, so sales is cost of sales plus profit. Okay, so that is 16,72,650. Okay, this is sales. Okay, now this is statement of cost for the year 2018. Now they have given information related to 2019, right? So here they have given materials and wages. So first we will write. So take down estimated cost sheet for the year ending 2019. Okay, so here direct material is 12,000. Direct material is 12,000. Next wages they have given. So direct wages is 7,500. Okay, so expense they have not given. So this itself will be called as prime cost. Okay, now add this. So once if you add, how much you will get? 19,500. Okay, next is add factory overheads. Okay, now factory overheads, they have given an adjustment. So go through the problem, read first point. Factory overheads is recovered on wages. Okay, so you will have one working note. Write down note 1. Calculation of factory overheads. Okay, now next line. Factory overheads is recovered on wages. You can write it. Factory overheads is recovered on wages. Okay, so formula is factory overheads divided by factory overheads divided by wages into 100. Okay, now factory overheads is how much? 1,87,500. Okay, see 2018 cost sheet. Okay, then divided by wages for 2018. Wages for 2018 is 3,75,000, right? 3,75,000 into 100. Okay, calculate the percentage, and the percentage is how much? 50%. Okay, so it is on wages 50%. So now check how much is the wages amount. 7 in bracket you can write 7,500 into 50 divided by 100, 50%. Okay, so that will be how much? 3,750. 3,750. Okay, now this will be called as works cost. Okay, add it. 23,250. Next is add administrative overheads. Now second point, administrative and selling and distribution overheads are recovered on works cost. Okay, now next working note, note 2, calculation of administrative overhead. So what they have told, it is recovered on works cost. So your formula will be administrative overheads divided by what they have told, it has to be recovered on works cost. Okay, now into 100. Okay, now administrative overheads here. Administrative overheads is 2,53,125. Okay, 2,53,125. Okay, then divided by works cost. Again go through the chart of 2018, check how much is the works cost. It is 10,12,500 into 100. Okay, now again calculate this, and the percentage is 25%. Okay, so go through chart of 2019. So there administrative overheads, it is on work cost. So work cost for 2019 is 23,250 into, it is 25%. So 25 divided by 100. Okay, complete the bracket, calculate this, how much you will get? 5,812.5. Okay, add this, you will get cost of production, cost of production. Okay, so cost of production is 29,062.5. Okay, yes. The next is add selling and distribution overheads. Okay, now selling and distribution overheads is also recovered on work cost. So third working note, note 3, calculation of selling and distribution overheads. Okay, again this has to be recovered on works cost, right? So your formula will be selling and distribution overheads divided by works cost. Into 100. Okay, now selling and distribution overheads is how much? Selling and distribution overheads is 1,01,250 divided by so we'll take on the next line. Okay, divided by works cost is how much? 10 lakh 12,500 into 100. So calculate this. It will be 10%. Okay. Now here on work cost, right? So 23,250 into 10 divided by 100. Okay, calculate this. How much you will get? 2325. Yes. Now next is cost of sales. Cost of sales or total cost of sales or total cost. Okay, add it. You will get 31,387. 387.5. So here they have not given any information relating to profit or sales, right? So this itself is your answer. Hope so everybody has understood this problem. Okay, so this was very simple problem. In next class again I'll be solving few more problems on estimated cost sheet. Okay, try to solve different problems which is available in the textbook. See you in next class.